10 Health Benefits of Turmeric. 1. Prevents cancer. Turmeric can help prevent prostate cancer, stop the growth of existing prostate cancer, and even destroy cancer cells. Multiple researchers have found that the active components in turmeric makes it one of the best protectors against radiation-induced tumors. It also has a preventive effect against tumor cells such as T-cell leukemia, colon carcinomas, and breast carcinomas. 2. Relieves arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties in turmeric are great for treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In addition, turmeric's antioxidant property destroys free radicals in the body that damage body cells. It has been found that those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis who consume turmeric on a regular basis experience much relief from the moderate to mild joint pains as well as joint inflammation. 3. Controls diabetes. Turmeric can be used in the treatment of diabetes by helping to moderate insulin levels. It also improves glucose control and increases the effect of medications used to treat diabetes. Another significant benefit is turmeric's effectiveness in helping reduce insulin resistance, which may prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. However, when combined with strong medications, turmeric can cause hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. It is best to consult a healthcare professional before taking turmeric capsules. 4. Reduces cholesterol level. Research has proven that simply using turmeric as a food seasoning can reduce serum cholesterol levels. It is a known fact that high cholesterol can lead to other serious health problems. Maintaining a proper cholesterol level can prevent many cardiovascular diseases. 5. Immunity booster. Turmeric contains a substance known as lipopolysaccharide, which helps stimulate the body's immune system. Its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agents also help strengthen the immune system. A strong immune system lessens the chance of suffering from colds, flu, and coughs. If you do get a cold, a cough, or the flu, you can feel better sooner by mixing 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk and drinking it once daily. 6. Heals wound. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent and can be used as an effective disinfectant. If you have a cut or burn, you can sprinkle turmeric powder on the affected area to speed up the healing process. Turmeric also helps repair damaged skin and may be used to treat psoriasis and other inflammatory skin conditions. 7. Weight management. Turmeric powder can be very helpful in maintaining an ideal body weight. A component present in turmeric helps increase the flow of bile, an important component in the breakdown of dietary fat. Those who wish to lose weight or treat obesity and other associated diseases can benefit from having 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with every meal. 8. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Brain inflammation is suspected to be one of the leading causes of cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric supports overall brain health by aiding in the removal of plaque buildup in the brain and improving the flow of oxygen. This can also prevent or slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease. 9. Improves digestion. Many key components in turmeric stimulate the gallbladder to produce bile, which then improves digestion and reduces symptoms of bloating and gas. Also, turmeric is helpful in treating most forms of inflammatory bowel disease including ulcerative colitis. However, it is important to bear in mind that people suffering from any kind of gallbladder disease should not take turmeric as a dietary supplement as it may worsen the condition. It is best to consume turmeric in raw form when suffering from a digestive problem. 10. Prevents liver disease. Turmeric is a kind of natural liver detoxifier. The liver detoxifies the blood through the production of enzymes, and turmeric increases production of these vital enzymes. These vital enzymes break down and reduce toxins in the body. Turmeric also is believed to invigorate and improve blood circulation. All of these factors support good liver health.